Some shops or technicians may interpret a diagnosis differently due to experience and training. They may identify a deeper root issue that requires a different repair approach, often resulting in a longer-term, non-repeat failure. A steady light means there is something not working correctly, but it's not an immediate emergency. A flashing light means something is actively happening and it should be inspected as soon as possible to prevent further damage or potential safety issues.